Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the VN video editor tutorial. So if you want to edit your videos in VN, this is what you can do on VN. You can see you can just add the clips that you want to edit into VN like this. For example, this is the video that I want to edit on VN. And in here you can see at the bottom there are so many things that you can do to edit. The first one that you can do is adding a filter. For example, in here I'm going to find the filter to add. For example, I'm going to add the light filter into my clip. I'm going to go with the DL-E7. Here you can adjust the intensity, and you can just click on the check icon, or you can always adjust it more. You can adjust the clips, exposure, contrast. You can adjust the brightness, the saturations. I'm going to just leave it as it is, and here I can also adjust the temperature. And if you want to, you can also add some vignette effect and click on add chisel. In here you can adjust each color of your videos. I'm going to just leave it as it is. Here you can also add sharpness to your clip, adjust the hue. I'm going to just go with 0, and here you can add some highlight and also shadow. If you're done, click on the check icon, and now you can also adjust the speed of your clips. So for example, this is my current clip is 9 seconds. You can always adjust the speed. Here under the regular, you can just adjust it how you like it. If you want to make it slow, you can just swipe to the left, but if you want to make it faster, the video, you can just swipe to the right. So just adjust it how you like it. Or you can also go with the curve in here. So curve, you can see you can adjust it manually. You can also use a preset provided by the VN editor. For example, this is the fast in, this is the hero time. Or you can also do it manually. I'm going to just go with the hero time. Click on the check icon, and here you can also split the clip into a few parts. Just click on split and split again. And lastly, you can also add effects on clip. So click on effects. Here there are so many category that you can select it. You can go with the basic, beats, or the glitch. I'm going to go with maybe the gel. And here, if you want to apply it to all of the clip, just click on apply to all. And lastly, you can also add music to make it more dramatic. You can go to music and choose the music that you want. For example, I'm going to go with this one. Just download the music first if you want to use it from the VN. And after that, you can just click on use. Click on the check icon, and that's it. Now this is the video on VN. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.